It has been a minute, but I'm finally on site. We got to rearrange this rack so we can add some new servers to it. And I got to label all this shit. So when we do move it, everything can just go back to where it was. Everything is labeled up the best I can. And the plans are still on. Too fucking bad. Almost there.
I got one.
Finished product.
BDR.
BDR's online!
Thank God.
Nice. So also, new server. He's got fiber card upgrades. Got a new MSA going in with fiber. And some things got moved around, so yeah. A little messy, but we're waiting on a new outlet for the new UPS to go in. Easy day.